Hey everybody, happy Sunday. Hope you are all enjoying this extra long weekend. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what I'm working on. This is a micro suede sectional sofa, different parts and pieces. This is a recliner set. Looks great, right? Like when I first saw it, I'm like, oh man, do you really need this cleaned? But then I smelled it. So that being said, the customer is bringing this piece to me to do a little of my magic on it. He had a cat, and the cat decided to use this as his litter box. And you see where it's glowing right there? That's one of the spots we found, all up here, a little bit up there, a little bit on the arm, all around here. And as you go down, all through there, this piece there, it gets real rough right there, real intense. It's also along here, goes on and on. So anyway, he brought it to me here because there's no way I can do this in home with one cleaning. There's so much in here that I got to go over it at least 5 to 7 times. So I got to do a whole process here. And what I do is a lot different than what I would normally clean a piece of furniture. First, we got to treat these urine crystals. We got to get them to release. When they dry, they're in alkaline form. I have to use an acidic type of rinsing agent to first release all those nasty urine salts. Now, here's the real kicker, though. With this type of material, because it's way in there and into the cushions, it's going to take several times of me going in, injecting this acid, and then sucking it out, letting it dry, injecting, going again, right? But also applying a very specific raw enzyme, real enzymes, not the synthetic garbage, but the real thing, the same stuff that our pancreas makes to help us digest food. We'll digest these any urine salts or I should say bacteria that's in there that's causing the malodor. So anyway, it's between doing that and adding probiotics and rinse, repeat, and then drying it in a humidity-controlled environment to get the best results. But it's going to take several times. Oh yeah, got my generator here. It's a little mess in here right now due to the winter and whatnot. So yeah, fun times. But I'm just going to be plugging away at this, and we're going to make it a million times better. But again, I might have this piece in here for several weeks, working on it every day, on and off, cleaning, drying, yada yada, till I get it all out. And we're basically going to try to force everything to wick up to the surface to be treated. But it takes time. But anywho, thanks you all for checking out my video, and hey, enjoy your weekend, and yeah. All right, take care. God bless.